Hello everyone, in this video we would like to share the work that we finished in the Nissan Murano 2011. We already show up some and share some other videos how to remove the factory radio and factory head unit over there, and at this moment it's already been finished with the new 7-inch full package wireless Apple CarPlay, USB Apple CarPlay, wireless Android Auto and USB Android Auto as well. Okay, and also it is included with the new front dash camera that install via the USB and run the software right from the head unit as well. So in this car we already get everything connected, finished, beautiful, and all the sounds beautiful, and boost up with our new head unit and you know, amplifier system inside, very nice. And it still keep working with all the factory CD player, and what else, it has connected to the air conditioner control here. So you can see that when I control air conditioner control here, it's showing the air conditioner right there, just like, you know, the factory setup actually. So it's all connected, very nice. And when we try to control the volume down here, it actually shows there. But also we have the volume control from the steering, and all the steering wheel button over here works well onto the new head unit section. So all connected, okay, beautiful. And at the same time we also replace and upgrade the factory reverse camera into the new and full HD anti-glare and super navigation reverse camera, which currently the camera is awesome. Okay, so you can see the camera is working very nice, very clear. And yes, that's how we actually, you know, finish this car, beautiful everywhere. And I just want to tell you, we actually fit another hidden USB over here, so you can see that we put our USB right there. Okay, so that's right there. Okay, it's beautiful fit, like factory fit, and hidden over there, you can see it. Okay, that's right there, that's the USB port. Okay, so everything is perfect, and yes, we are so happy with the result. And already I talked to the owner of the car by the new system, and they are so surprised and happy with the sound quality as well by the phone call. So yes, again, 7-inch full backup, full package for the Nissan Murano in 2011 years, and all good, all done, all finished. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.